In this video, I'm going to be talking about 10 design tools that I can't live without. So take some notes and get ready to improve your productivity. Let's go. Number 1, makewordart.com. It's 2003. You're on your mum's Windows XP machine and you're bringing up PowerPoint. And on PowerPoint, you've got WordArt. So it's basically a PowerPoint emulator. So all you need to do is go on to makewordart.com. You can select the different styles of WordArt. You can then type your message and then download that as a PNG to your computer. It's really handy to get that cheesy early 2000s look, and you can just add that to any design project for a bit of fun. Number 2, Logitech MX Master. I've been using this mouse right here for about 5 years now, and it hasn't put a foot wrong. So this guy can be used on pretty much any surface. It can be programmed with up to 3 devices. You've got great battery life, something like 70 days worth before you have to charge again. Also a ton of buttons that you can program to do whatever you want using the Logitech Options app. So this is a great investment. I've had this for over 5 years, so it's definitely worth the price. So go and check it out and treat yourself to a new mouse. Number 3 is Toolkit.com. This is a great place to get assets and elements for your designs. There's a ton of great designers who are putting products on there for a really good price. So you should get on there and check it out. You can also find some of my products on there that you may find useful, so go and have a look. Number 4, Adobe Fonts. Now this is included with every Creative Cloud subscription, and it's a free font library that you can use for personal and commercial use. The thing I love most about it is how it syncs up with your Creative Cloud apps. When I make a design of Photoshop, I can just send that to my client, and my client can download that same PSD, and when they open up that file, the fonts automatically sync to their computer. So you don't have to deal with licenses or sending fonts over. It's all done automatically, which is super handy. Number 5 is the Sony WH1000xM4s. These guys here are some of my favorite headphones. I use them every single day. I listen to a lot of music. Spotify Wrapped 2020 told me I listened to over 50,000 minutes. So these guys are on my head for 10% of my year. And I can't recommend these enough. Great battery life, over 30 hours, great noise cancelling, some of the class leading noise cancelling, and they're actually a pretty good price compared to something like an AirPods Max. So these are great if you're working, but they're also great if you're traveling. Over 30 hours of battery life means it lasts for any long haul flight, which is perfect for that kid who's sitting 3 rows behind you screaming. Put these on and you won't be able to hear a thing. These headphones have so many features, so definitely worth checking out a full review. I'll leave a link in the description below. Check it out and maybe you'll be persuaded to pick up a pair of these. Number 6 is Coolors.co. This is a great site for fast and easy color palettes. You can just go on there, you can throw one color in, and then it automatically generates a different palette for each color. So you can go on there and within a few clicks, you've already got a color palette for your next design project. Really quick, really easy, and really, really useful. Number 7, Envato Elements. Now I've been using this for about a month now and it saved me so much time already. I can go on there, find stock video, stock music, stock images, and I don't have to go around searching for those things on different websites. I can find it all in one place. So I've paid about £200 for the year, but that's seriously worth it when you consider how much time you save. It's probably already made its money back. Well worth the investment. Number 8 is Sorted. It's an app on your phone and on desktop too. It's basically a glorified task list, but what you can do is bring your calendar, your events, your notes, your tasks, your to-dos, and put them all in one place. It's a great way to put your projects into your day and divide them up based on time. And I find this super helpful with my work life, but also with my personal life, making sure that everything is well balanced. This is a great tool. You can download it onto your phone for free, and hopefully it's going to help you plan your day better and be more efficient. Number 9 is Toggl.com. So unlike Sorted, which plans, Toggl tracks. So what you can do is you go onto the website or download the app and you can set a timer, and basically the timer records when you're working and you can label it to a different project or to a different task, and that helps you to understand how much time you're spending on each project. This is great for anyone who charges by the hour on a project, but it's also great for people like me who just want to know how much time they spend on it. It's a free tool and you can download this today to help you to keep track of your projects. And then number 10 is Unsplash.com, and I think you knew this was coming, but Unsplash is such a great website that I couldn't help but mention it. Unsplash is a website with over 2.5 million photos that you can use for your personal projects, but also for commercial projects, and it's entirely free. If you don't know about Unsplash, go on their website right now and start downloading some amazing photos. So that's a roundup of the 10 design tools that I can't live without. Let me know in the comments below what design tools you use on a regular basis, and we'll do a video in the future on your suggestions. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like. It really does go a long way to helping this channel, and also subscribe for more videos like this to come. See you again soon.